Here we are in the Big Apple at Yankee Stadium. Let's take a look at today's lineup. It's today's defensive lineup for the home team. The southpaw will take the mound. Francisco Lindor will get his first swings here. The pitch. That is a called strike. 0-1. From the stretch. Swing and a miss. He's ready now. The pitch. This is swung on and will hop towards third base. And he guns him down at first. Nice play by Suarez. Juan Soto will come up to bat. Here is the first offering. Hits the target here for strike one. Here's the pitch. A strike on the outside corner. Now the pitch. And here's a ball that gets lifted high up. And he will record the out as they get close to escaping the inning with two away now. From the belt, the pitch. And a first pitch strike. Now here's the pitch. He's in control now of this at-bat as this is called a strike. 0-2. A pause, and now the pitch. He got just the top of that one as it is grounded out to third base. On to first. And that will end the inning. It is still scoreless going to the bottom of the first. Let's take a look at today's lineup. Let's have a look at the away team's defense lineup. The righty will move up to the mound. Max Kepler will come in. He waits. Now the pitch. And that's off the mark. 0-1. Good pitch. Strike two pitch on the way. And a bouncing ball foul. Here he comes. Hopped up. And this one is turning into a foul ball. There's a rocket of a hit into the left side. Swinging around first, en route to second. And he is into second with a double. Aaron Judge will get the first crack at it here. First offering on the way. Now a ball hit cleanly towards center. And this is going to find the alley. Should be extra bases for... It's now 1-0. Joey Gallo will step into the batter's box. Runner at first. It's now 1-0 Yankees. Here's the windup. Now the pitch. Now a fastball for a called strike. No ball, one strike. Sharply hit into left field. And it's going to get down for a base hit. And a base runner for a very hot hitter in Kyle Schwarber. And the pitch. Hammered towards the right side. So deep. With the catch, runner will tag up and go for third. Stepping up now is Trevor Story. First pitch on the way. There's a strike. And pitch. Strike. Here comes. Fly ball center field. Tagging. Judge. And a relay to the plate. One run has scored. Here's Eugenio Suarez. A strike. Has a look. Now the pitch. That's in there as well. It's a quick 0-2 count. From the belt, kick and deal. Here's a hit, and it'll be a ground ball. Throw to first will get him easily, and the side is retired. We've gone through an inning. Brandon Nemo to stand in. Here's the first pitch to him. That's in for a strike. Here he comes. It's a fly ball to left center. Kepler will make the catch, and that will be the first out of the inning. Coming up to the plate is Mark Vientos. And here's his first pitch. And a fastball blows by him for strike one. Into the windup, here comes the 0-1. Now a swing and a hard grounder. Jesse Winker will be the batter. And the pitcher will try to pick off the runner. He won't get picked off here. And a strike. Throw is on the way. Runner takes off. The throw is late, and the runner gets credit for the steal. The 0-2 to Winker. There's a ground ball hit towards first. Pena will take this one over to first himself. And quickly, two are gone here. The pickoff play. He won't get picked off here. First pitch coming from Ray. And that one is a called strike. Throw is on the way. Grounded to first. And the fielder will touch the bag to end the inning. We'll go to the bottom half of inning number 2. Carlos Pena coming up next. He has a 9-game hitting streak. Fouled back over the screen and out of play. Fastball called for strike 2. Strike 2 pitch on the way. Here's one for Vientos. And the throw to first gets there in time. The bases are empty here with one away, and stepping up now is Ryan Jeffers. First pitch coming. Swing and a miss. 0-1. And this one looks a bit inside. However, it's ruled a strike. Swung on and carried high in the air out to right center. It's a gunner. He got all of that one. That will be home run number 17 for the season. It's now 3-0 Yankees. Brandon Lowe will stand in here. First pitch to him. First pitch is fouled back. No ball, one strike. That's over the plate, but low. Here's the 1-1 pitch. That's one in there. The 1-2 with one away. Called strike 3. Max Kepler will step in now with two away as they need to get it going here. Now here's the first pitch. Hit out of play. The pitch. Fastball called strike. Here he comes. Great impact, but it's fouled to the left. He'll get another try. Now here's a well-hit ball towards the left side. Here's the windup. Now the pitch. That's in the strike zone. He's out. It's back-to-back strikeouts. On to the top of inning number 3 we go. Here comes Jeff McNeil. He waits. Now the pitch. And a first pitch strike. Has a look. Now the pitch. He was slow on this one. Swung on and missed. Here's the pitch. Here's a swing and a ground ball. Jose Siri digs in now. Runner at first. The pitcher tries to pick the runner off at first. He won't get picked off here. Pitch swung on and lifted high towards the right line. No play. Now here's the pitch. And this one is ruled in favor of the pitcher as it caught the inside. Swung on and missed. Francisco Lindor will get a second try now. He grounded out in his first attempt. Swing and a chopper to short. The throw's too late. He's safe. Juan Soto will get another shot. 0 for 1 here in this one. A pause, and now the pitch. This is a hard liner to center field. And this is hit into the alley and should be good for extra bases. It's an RBI single for... Coming up to the plate now is Pete Alonso. He grounded out his first time. It's an RBI single for Soto. And the pitcher attempts a pickoff move here. He won't get picked off here. Here comes... And he looks as the fastball goes by him for strike 1. From the belt, kick and deal. Swing and a grounder hit hard to first base. Around second, he'll try for third. And they are on the board. Coming up to the plate is Brandon Nimmo. He popped out in his first at-bat. It's an RBI single for Alonso. Now the pitch. He comes back with a beautiful pitch there, and he's dominating this at-bat. From the stretch, takes a high strike call. He's ready now. The pitch. Struck him out swinging. Here comes Mark Vientos. He's 1 for 1. And the pitcher will try to pick off the runner. He won't get picked off here. And pitch. line to right field. And that's in there for a base hit. And the run will come home to score from third. And he'll make it safely to third as they'll have runners on the corners now. Mets have tied it up. First pitch coming. High pop-up behind the plate. Jeffers makes the grab for the out, and that ends the inning. And we are tied, 3-3. Aaron Judge will get another attempt at it. He singled and later scored his first time. First pitch coming from Canning. And the first pitch here is driven on the ground to first. Not in time. Safe at first. Joey Gallo is up for another try. He singled in his last plate appearance. First pitch on the way. And here's a pitch swung on and missed. From the belt, the pitch. And it's going to be a strong grounder towards third. To second base for the first out. Throw to first is not in time, and the runner is safe. Kyle Schwarber will dig in. He's 0 for 1. Here he comes. The pitch is low. It's 1-0. The 1-0. And this one moves a little too far in. 2-0 now. There's a chopper hit hard on the ground towards third. Going around second, he's got his eye on third. And he is safe at second base with a double. Here's Trevor Story, the shortstop. And the pitch. Swings and gets nothing but air. Into the windup, here comes the 0-1. He's taking control of this matchup as he gets strike 2. This ball is hit straight towards left center. He's got a base hit. And the runner comes in from third. And the second run will score. And the Yankees take a 5-3 lead. Pitch count is at 40. A grounder to second. One there. On to first as they turn another double play. We're a third of the way through. Fourth inning coming up. Francisco Alvarez will try it again. 0 for 1 in the ballgame. Here is the first offering. On the ground to Kepler. And this will be a base hit as it'll apply some pressure to open the inning. Jeff McNeil will try again. He singled and later scored his first time. Here's the first pitch to him. And a ball. It's a ball and no strikes. And he watches a called strike as this one bears in on him. Ready now on 1-1. He blew it by him for a strike 1. Here comes the 1-2. Off the plate there. It's 2-2. Here's the 2-2 offering. Swing and a ball hit on the ground. Passing second, he'll try for third. On his way to third on the long single is Alvarez. Jose Siri will step in the box. He struck out swinging his first time. Pitch count is at 40. He'll take a look at ball 1. Now the 1-0 pitch. There's a slider. It'll get in there for a strike. The pickoff play. He won't get picked off here. And the 1-1 pitch is out to center. He'll tag up and head for home. It's a sac fly for Siri. Batter coming up now is Francisco Lindor. He's 1 for 2 so far. First offering on the way. Right. The throw is late, and the runner gets credit for the steal. From the stretch. And this stays in the zone, 0-2 now. The 0-2 to Lindor. It's over the plate for strike 3. Juan Soto will come up. He's 1 for 2 up to this point. And here's his first pitch. And a strike high in the zone to open the at-bat. From the belt, kick and deal. And the ball is grounded to first. Pena steps on the bag, and the inning is over. The Yankees lead at 5-4. The first baseman, Carlos Pena, steps into the batter's box. He grounded out his first time. Here's a hard grounder to first base. Ryan Jeffers steps up to the plate. He's 1 for 1. And that misses the inside corner. The 1-0 pitch. Fly ball into left. Will go for another one. Called out on strikes his last time. First pitch to him. Swing and a line drive to left. And that'll be a base hit for Lowe. Not in time, and he's in there with a double. Max Kepler will get his first opportunity now. He's 1 for 2 with a double so far. Ground ball that's rolled over to second base. Easy play for McNeil. And they are on the board. Aaron Judge will have an RBI opportunity here. Now here's the first pitch. He lays off this one. Now the 1-0 pitch. And it's a called strike to even the count at 1. A grounder to short. Throw to first will be in time, and that will end the inning. On to the top of inning number 5 we go. Pete Alonso will get in his third attempt at it here. He's 1 for 2. Here he comes. Fouled back. Now here's the pitch. And the catcher takes it on the inside corner for a strike. Pitch count is at 50. Nothing but air on that one as the pitcher caught him stretching out for that one. Here's the left fielder, Brandon Nimmo. No hits in his 2 attempts thus far. Has a look. Now the pitch. Big cut and a miss on the fastball. 0-1. Into the windup. Here comes the 0-1. Slider. And that's in there for strike 2. From the belt, the pitch. That one's fouled back. Strike 2 pitch on the way. He struck him out swinging. The bases are empty with 2 away now for Mark Vientos. He waits. Now the pitch. First pitch breaking ball for strike 1. A pause, and now the pitch. Chop right side. Pena will step on the bag, and the inning is over. On now to the bottom half of inning number 5. Joey Gallo will lead things off. 1 for 2 thus far in the ballgame. Lined to left. Nemo will put this away. 1 down in the inning, and the batter coming up is Kyle Schwarber. Pitch count is at 50. He'll take a tough pitch that tags the outside part of the plate for strike 1. There's no doubt about this one. Home run! This ball is up, and gone! That will be home run number 19 for the season. And the Yankees take a 7-4 lead. Trevor Story digs in now. Here's the first pitch to him. A hit towards the opposite side, and it'll follow down the right line. And it's going to be a strong grounder towards short. And a nice play by Lindor. 2 down in the inning. And the next batter up is Eugenio Suarez. First pitch on the way. Down low for ball 1. 1 ball, no strikes. Breaking ball low. It's 2-0. It's a changeup. Got him for a strike. It's 2-1 now. Tapped over the mound. It continues to be 7-4. Jesse Winker will stand in here. He flew out his last time up. Throw is on the way. Popped up into foul territory. And this looks like it'll be fouled away. Here he comes. Popped up left side. Kepler is there. Here's the catcher, Francisco Alvarez. Bases are empty, 1 man out. First pitch hacking here, and that's the first strike. Pitch count is at 60. Breaking ball in there for strike 2. The pitch. And he goes down on strikes. Strikeout number 6 for Ray. Here's the second baseman, Jeff McNeil. First pitch coming. There's a strike. 0-1. He's ready now. The pitch. Smashed high in the air in the opposite direction to the left. And the threat ends as they record the final out of the inning. On now to the bottom half of inning number 6. A.J. Minter is the new left-hander. The first baseman, Carlos Pena, comes up to the plate. He's 1 for 2 so far. Down and out of the zone. 1-0. And this is a foul straight back. Now the 1-1. Now a hard hit ball straight towards right. Ryan Jeffers will try again. He flew out his last time up. First pitch coming from Minter. Called strike on the inside, and the batter is in disbelief. Good pitch. And the pitch. This is going to soar in the air over towards the right side of the infield. And this ball's hit in the air down the right side and out of play. The fastball misses low. Now the 1-2. Got him! Brandon Lowe will step to the plate with 1 in and 1 away. Now the pitch. Howard down the line. Base hit to left field. On his way to third on the long single is Pena. Max Kepler will make his appearance now as his teammates are looking for that breakthrough play with a runner in scoring position. Line to left field. Nemo with the catch. Runner will tag up and go for the score. It's a sac fly for Kepler. Here comes Aaron Judge, 2 for 3 in the game. And here's one popped straight up. And he'll wait for it under foul territory to finish up the inning himself. On to the top of inning number 7 we go. Jose Siri will step in 0 for 1 in the ball game. And it is sent the other way, deep right center field. And that'll drop for a base hit. Francisco Lindor will step in the box. Went down swinging his last time up. Here's the pitch. Grounded to third. Low for 1. Row 2, Pena. And for the double play. Coming up to the plate now is Juan Soto. Slider thrown in for a called strike. 0-1. Fastball called strike. Here's the windup. Now the pitch. That's on the ground to short. Story will make a play. Bottom of the 7th inning coming up. Here's the center fielder, Joey Gallo. 1 for 3 thus far. Down low. The 1-0. And he misses again. 2-0. And a swing on the 2-0 pitch as this is hit high up to straightaway center field. Batter coming up now is Kyle Schwarber. He's 2 for 3. Just off the plate. It's ball 1. Now a fastball. A bit too low here. Strike 1 at the knees. 2-1 now. It's fouled off to the left side. Nice gift to take home. And it is sent soaring high in the air into left center. Trevor Story will go for another one. Here comes. Cutter misses the plate. 1-0. Slap foul. Here's the 1-1. On the ground to first. And an out at first. And that ends the inning. On to the top of inning number 8 we go. The first baseman, Pete Alonso, steps into the batter's box. He's 1 for 3. A high strike there. No ball, 1 strike. Swing, and the ball is directed towards left center. Brandon Nemo steps up to the plate. He's 0 for 3. The pitcher tries to pick the runner off at first. He won't get picked off here. First offering on the way. A lot of movement on that one. And pitch. And this ball is lined back up the middle. And the catch is made by Gallo for the first out. Here's the third baseman, Mark Vientos. Runner at first with 1 away. First pitch to him. And this one is ruled in favor of the pitcher as it caught the inside. Misses for ball 1. And now it's even 1-1. Solid hit into left center. In there for a base hit. And he has no chance on the throw, and that will be scored a base hit. Jesse Winker will have an RBI opportunity here. Kirby Yates is the new right-hander. Chop left side. Throw to first to get. Luis Torrens will pinch it for Francisco Alvarez. Here is the first offering. Fly ball right field. We're halfway done with the inning. Eugenio Suarez to stand in. 0 for 3 here in this one. And a nice pitch, but chopped foul. Strike. The 0-2 to Suarez. Hop back and out of play. He waits. Now the pitch. Fouled straight back. From the stretch. Swing and a chopper to first. Alonso makes the play. Steps on the bag. Carlos Pena will try it again. 2 for 3 in the game. The ball is crushed towards deep right field. Racing for it is the right fielder. This ball is long gone. Home run. That will be home run number. And the Yankees take a 9-5 lead. Here's Ryan Jeffers. Went down swinging his last time up. Now here's the first pitch. It's on the ground and foul. From the belt, the pitch. Fastball called for strike 2. And here's a high hit ball, and it'll hover over a bit towards right center. Here's the second baseman, Brandon Lowe. It's a little low. It's ball 1. A fastball here, too low. Low in a hitter's count. Here's a 2-0. And it is sent soaring high in the air into right center. Siri gets under this one to put it away for the final out to end the inning. We are through a full 8 innings. Jeff McNeil will get another shot. He flew out his last time up. Hammered towards the left side. And that is gonna be a base hit. And his speed comes into play here as he hustles into second with a double. And here's his first pitch. Splitter thrown for a strike. 0-1. Swing, and he pops him up over toward foul territory. Throw is on the way. Strikeout! Francisco Lindor will come in. He's 1 for 4. And pitch. Soaring ball to the left. And that one will land for extra bases. It will bring home a run. And the Yankees, 1 down in the inning, and the batter coming up is Juan Soto. And the Yankees take a 9-6 lead. And the pitcher attempts a pickoff move here. He won't get picked off here. Here he comes. Straight hit to the left towards the opposite direction. And he'll make it safely to third as they'll have runners on the corners now. Pete Alonso will come up to bat. 2 for 4 in the ball game. That pitch misses wide. 1-0. The 1-0 pitch. Called strike on the inside, and the batter is in disbelief. Yates ready. The 1-1. There's a ground ball hit towards the middle. There is 2 down. And the run will come home to score from third. Now here's the pitch.
Strike.
This one goes by the belt. 0-1. No ball, one strike. And a fly ball lifted out to left. Kepler backs up. It's a big win for the Yankees here during the pennant race.